Much like Rahul Dravid was for the Indian cricket team, I feel Sagility's consistent performance over the last 2 decades will be something for the Indian IT sector. I'm convinced, hopefully, public market investors over the next many years to come will be convinced around that part as well. In an otherwise very cyclical world, we talk about cyclical stocks, it's probably one of the rare acyclical stories that one can invest in a very capital efficient manner. I thank all the investors for their time, support, effort, emotion during the last 1 year. Sagility family today has 1.4 lakh shareholders, and this number will only grow over time. We, no doubt, as the advising community, will help support the management on the path that they're to follow here. We also thank the equity management team, Ramesh, the entire team at Sagility for giving us the opportunity to bring Sagility story to the public markets. Last but not the least, thank you to our regulator, our councils, our advisors who are part of this long journey. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for all the good words for the company. And now I invite Shri Ramesh Gopalan, Managing Director and Group CEO, Sagility India Limited, to address the audience on this highly joyous and equally significant occasion. Shri Ramesh Gopalan.
Good morning. First of all, thank you all for coming here. This today is a very important milestone in the journey of Sagility, and I really appreciate all of you taking your busy time to celebrate with us. Sagility, people have asked me, what is Sagility, right? So it's a new brand name. The name has been in existence just over 2 years, but it carries a legacy of over 24 years. So quickly on the name, Sagility is a combination of 2 words, sage and agility. Sage is wisdom, as you know, the calm and collected wisdom, the assured confidence that we have in the domain that we play in, which is healthcare. And agility is something that we've always been proud of, our ability to quickly adapt to changing circumstances in the market and the needs of our clients, and to be able to support them. So we do that day in and day out in the healthcare business. But in this IPO journey, we neither had the sage or the agility, and so we had to rely on a number of partners, right? So that's where we had a wonderful team supporting us. I'd like to thank all of the firms that helped us in this journey, especially all of the banks, all of the legal counsels, the auditors, other project management teams, and the media teams and so on. So thank you very much for all the help that you provided us. I also want to take this opportunity to thank EQT, our existing shareholder, for helping us in this journey. I want to thank the board, as well as everybody else who is present here, the brokers, the analysts, and the media, for gracing us on this occasion. A quick word on the legacy, right? So this business started in the year 2000. It started with one client. It started in India with about 20 people. And today, we operate in 5 different countries. We have over 30 locations from where our people work, and we have over 35,000 people. So that's a huge growth in the 24 years that we've been in existence. And none of this would have been possible if not for the extraordinary team that I have working with me. A lot of them are here in the audience, so huge congratulations to you. I also want to thank our clients, without whom this wouldn't have been possible. We have some very long tenured relationships with some of the leading payers in the US. They've not only been with us for a long time, but they've also actively supported us in our growth. So thanks to the clients for their faith in us. As the tech-enabled business services and solutions provided to the US healthcare, what keeps us going is the purpose of our mission. All of us take a great pride in being able to serve clients in this industry. So what we do is something that we are really proud of. We not only we not only bring efficiencies to our clients who are the payers and providers, but we also make a huge impact on the families and lives of people that we touch, which is the patients and the members of our clients. So this is something that we are really proud of, and all of us who work for this company, we take great pride in being part of the healthcare ecosystem. I know today is a great milestone, but it's also a step in the journey. So with going public, we want to assure our commitment to all of the stakeholders that we work with, the existing shareholder plus, like Praveer said, 140,000 new shareholders who come in, our clients, our employees, as well as the communities and the environment where we operate. So with that, I wish all of us the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for putting the company's glorious journey in a nutshell for all of us, highlighting some major milestones on the way. I will now request Sri Sarvabhauman Srinivasan, Group Chief Financial Officer, Sagility India Limited, to address us.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us today on this milestone for Sagility. As Ramesh said, it has indeed been a very special journey, which began many years, and a very special journey for a few of us, the core team who took us to where we are today. Firstly, a big thanks to the EQT team and the board for getting us into this journey. This ambitious project kick-started exactly on the 18th of March when we had the kickoff in Bombay, 240 days to be very precise. And today we are here. It literally took a village to reach to this point, and over 30 plus professional firms worked with us. We worked with 6 bankers, 8 councils, 10 professional accounting firms, and 7 expert firms. Let me quickly place on record our sincere thanks and appreciation, and would want to mention a few for their invaluable contributions. ISEC, our left lead bank, IIFL, what more can I say? You have been right through the journey. JPM, special mentions Archit, Arkat Satish, who is not here, thank you so much. Govind, Jeffries, Praveer, please pass on the special thanks to Krishna as well. Thanks for the roadshow deck. It's been an absolute, I would say, out of the park. First ball 6, I would say. Then we had Axis and ICICI Bank as our bankers for the issue. Legal counsel Sidley, Manoj, thank you for the business section. Risk factors, Indus Law, our company councils, CAM, bankers councils, JSA, selling shareholders councils, and the 4 legal firms who helped us with the legal opinion. And coming to the 10 professional accounting firms, we worked with KPMG, our stat auditors, who have been complete support right through in crunch timelines. PwC, Mihir, thanks for the valuation. ICA, Mr. Sarvan Prajapati, Intrinsic West, Mr. Manoj Pati, who guided us in the preparation of financials as per IFRS and as per Ind AS for 9 material subsidiaries. We got almost 9 material subsidiaries for 3 years. We got it audited in just 2 months. Thanks to my team as well. Ananta Anko, Vijay Savla, and 4 other CA firms who helped us in getting the material subsidiaries audited. How can I forget Nova One? They have been an extension of us right through the journey. Thank you, Mr. Sunil. Thanks for the wonderful team. Dhruv, Venki, Neerja. Everest, Abhishek, thanks for the industry report. It has been brilliant. ICRA for our credit rating, share transfer agents, link in time, printing crystal forms, advertisement and media support concept, and data site Singapore. I sincerely thank all our investors and public who had faith in our business and applied for our stocks in this IPO and made it a grand success. We were oversubscribed 3.2 times. And those who did not get allotted, so we hope to see you as our shareholders in future too. I must thank my colleagues at Sagility across functions, HR, finance, legal, admin, secretarial, solutions, with their invaluable contributions. Everyone played their part beautifully and chipped in at the right moment and just showcased to the whole world that we are a team, truly a great team. Thank you so much. Along the way, we had some crunch moments as well from a timeline perspective. Very many late nights, working weekends, but today it's all worth it as we step into a new era for Sagility. It is going to be an exciting journey ahead of us, and we are confident and committed to deliver our promise. We will assure you the best in class in terms of corporate governance and shall continue to deliver value to all our stakeholders, be it investors, clients, prospects, vendors, employees, society, and our environment. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your thoughts with us this morning. I will now invite Shri Prateek Handa, Director, EQT, to please say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. So today is a very special day for us at EQT, and India is a very special market for us. EQT has been very deeply committed to India since our first investment back in 1998. And subsequently, over the past 2+ decades, we have been very proud to invest more than $9 billion in the success of more than 17 businesses, employing more than 200,000 people in this country. And with each investment, our goal is very clear: to future-proof all the companies and create a sustainable impact. Looking ahead, India continues to be a very important market for us, and we look forward to continuing strong management teams and founders, just as what we have achieved today. Today also marks a very important day for us as an active participant in India's capital market story. Sagility's listing marks another significant milestone and demonstrates our further confidence in the resilience and strength of India's capital markets. This builds on some of our prior listed investments, such as Hexaware in 2013, Coforge in 2019, and then our support of the management team at CMS to list the company in 2021. We are grateful to all the regulatory authorities and the stock exchanges for their support in making all these endeavors possible. Turning to Sagility, under the leadership of the CEO, Mr. Ramesh Gopalan, the company has consistently innovated and carved out a unique position for itself in servicing the global healthcare and technology services sector. Through Sagility, we believe public market investors will have the opportunity to participate in the journey of a truly unique business, one with no direct peers today in the Indian public markets. Reaching this milestone has been the result of tireless effort of many individuals. I would like to extend the deepest gratitude to all our legal, financial, audit and tax advisors, to the Sagility Board of Directors, and most importantly, the entire management team for their invaluable contributions in reaching this point. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. I will now request Sri Ramakrishnan, Chief Business Development Officer, NSE, to address us.
Sri Ramesh Gopalan, Managing Director and Group CEO, Sagility India Limited. Sri Sarvabhavan Srinivasan, Chief Group CFO, Sagility India Limited. Sri Name Kumar H, Managing Director, IIFL Capital Services Limited. Sri Praveen Garg, Managing Director, Head of Technology IP, India, Jeffries India Private Limited. Sri Gautam Benjamin, Business Head, Digital and Technology, ICICI Securities. Sri Abhinav Bharti, Managing Director, Head of India Equity Capital Markets, JP Morgan. Distinguished guests, board members, employees, family members, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you for the listing ceremony of Sagility India Limited. NSE is proud to welcome Sagility India Limited to our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 2634th company to list with us. During the current financial year so far, NSE has witnessed 173 IPOs across the main board and SME segments, with Sagility India being the 48th company to list on the main board of the exchange. India is the fourth largest country capital market in the world in terms of market capitalization after US, China and Japan. Market capitalization of NSE companies has grown about 110 times in rupee terms since NSE started its operations way back in 1994. We are now at a market capitalization of 5.2 trillion US dollars, which is about 440 lakh crore rupees. And from today onwards, Sagility India Limited will be an integral part of it. NSE has over 10.5 crore unique investors with more than 20 crore accounts, reaching 99.8% of all the PIN codes in this country, which covers about 20% of the households that are directly investing in the stock markets today. The IPO of Sagility India with an issue size of 106 crores garnered a good response, and we congratulate the entire team of Sagility India Limited, the merchant bankers, ICICI Securities, IIFL Securities, Jeffries, JP Morgan, legal advisors, Indus Law, PR agency, Concept, and all other stakeholders associated with this IPO for the achievement. We at NSE are committed to fundraising, to facilitate fundraising opportunities and to make capital markets more accessible for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories. We hope that today's successful listing of Sagility India Limited will inspire many more companies to look at public markets as a promising alternative. The listing day is the start of a strong partnership between us. NSE looks forward to supporting Sagility India Limited in future fundraising endeavors as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Sriram sir. I have asked him to stay back for memento presentation. So I will request Sri Ram Krishnan, Chief Business Development Officer, NSE, to present a memento to Sri Ramesh Gopalan, Managing Director and Group CEO, Sagility India Limited. This, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, is a mini replica of the iconic bell that has been placed on the dais. And they're proud to be listed on NSE badge box. So officials and employees of the company attending the program have been already given these badges, but these badges are for those who could not be present here in person. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the NSE Coffee Table book, which was recently launched by the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Dr. C.P. Radhakrishnan. I will now request Sri Ram sir to please present mementos to the BRLMs, the book running lead managers. Sri Gautam Benjamin, Business Head, Digital and Technology, ICICI Securities. Sri Name Kumar H, Managing Director, IIFL Capital Services Limited. Shri Praveer Garg, Managing Director, Head of Technology IB India, Jeffries India Private Limited. Shri Abhinav Bharti, Managing Director, Head of India Equity Capital Markets, JP Morgan. Legal Advisor, Indus Law. PR Agency, Concept Communication Limited. And now, sir, please stay back. I will request Shri Ramesh Gopalan, Managing Director and Group CEO, Sagility India Limited, to please step up on stage and present a memento to Shri Ramakrishnan, Chief Business Development Officer, NSE, in reciprocation. We have a few more mementos to be presented, but as you can see, we are almost approaching the momentous time of bell ringing, which will happen at 10 o'clock sharp. So, जिस पल की हम प्रतीक्षा कर रहे हैं, वो करीब आ रहा है. I will request Shri Ramakrishnan, Chief Business Development Officer, NSE, Shri Ramesh Gopalan, Managing Director and Group CEO, Sagility India Limited, Shri Prateek Handa, Director, EQT, Shri Sarvabhauman Srinivasan, Group Chief Financial Officer, Sohail Jariri, Chief Growth Officer, Shripati, Senior Vice President, Mergers and Acquisitions, Tina Vas, Senior Vice President, Global Human Resources, Mohit Saxena, Executive Vice President, Operations, India and Philippines, Anand Biradar, Senior Vice President, Operations, Americas, Madan Modgal, Executive Vice President, Technology Solutions, Ram Mohan Natrajan, Senior Vice President, Business Transformation, Sibi Joy, Executive Vice President, Client Services, Anand MN, Senior Vice President, Client Services, Rajaram Natrajan, Senior Vice President, Client Services, and the book running lead managers, Shri Gautam Benjamin, Business Head, Digital and Technology, ICICI Securities, Shri Name Kumar H, Managing Director, IIFL Capital Services Limited, Shri Praveer Garg, Managing Director, Head of Technology, IB India, Jeffries India Private Limited, Shri Abhinav Bharti, Managing Director, Head of India Equity Capital Markets, JP Morgan. Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, the ringing of the bell will mark the official listing of Sagility India Limited. The relentless hard work and untiring efforts are finally coming to fruition. We are less than a minute away from the bell ringing. So, join me in cheering when the customary 10-second countdown will begin. We all will put our hands together as the timer will strike 10 o'clock. जब 10 को 10 सेकंड बाकी होंगे, आप सभी मेरे साथ काउंटडाउन की गिनती में शामिल हो जाइएगा. Almost half a minute. Please be in readiness. ठीक 10 बजे हम तालियों की गूंज के साथ उस पल को सजाएंगे. It will truly be an honor to be introduced and welcomed on this corporate ladder. So let us be in readiness. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. heartiest congratulations to the management, investors, stakeholders of Sagility India Limited. ढेर सारी बधाई और हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. अविस्मरणीय क्षण हम सभी के लिए. Let us take a group picture which will stay with us for times to come. Thank you. I will request Shri Ramesh Gopalanji to please stay back on stage, and the rest of you can please take your seats in the audience. As mentioned earlier, we have a few more mementos to be presented in order to express gratitude and appreciation. So can I call upon Shri Prateek Handa, Director, EQT? Yes, please. Come. Let us have a resounding of claps, ladies and gentlemen. Shri Gautam Benjamin. Shri Neem Kumar H. from IFL. Shri Praveer Garg from Jefferies. Shri Abhinav Bharti, JPM. After the BRLMs, we now move on to the NOVA 1 team, project management. The Foreign Council, Sidley and team. Company Council, Indus Law. Bankers Councils, Cyril Amarchan Mangaldas. Let us felicitate Everest for the industry report. Statutory Auditor, KPMG. Independent CA, preparation of financials, Intrinsic West. Registrar and Share Transfer Agent, Lincoln Time. PR Agency, Concept Communication Limited. And Independent CA, Agarwal, Jain and Gupta. Sir, there is a surprise for you. So I will request Abhinav from NSE to please step up on stage and present this photo frame. So the moment of bell ringing that was captured just a while ago, not even 10 minutes ago, has been framed forever. Thank you. Thank you, sir. You may please take your seat. I will now request Shri Gautam Benjamin, Business Head, Digital and Technology, ICICI Securities, to please address us.
Thank you and good morning to everyone present. As one of the book running lead managers, it's truly a privilege to be here. A proud moment, not just for the company, but for everyone involved. From the management team led by Ramesh, the EQT team, the councils, Nova team, and everyone else who's been part of this remarkable journey. This frankly wouldn't have been possible without the positive spirit and complete commitment of every person involved in this transaction. Sagility's sharp focus on the healthcare space a target segment with significant potential, its deep domain expertise, strong and long-standing client relationships are true testaments of its leadership position. We are confident that the company will continue its profitable growth momentum and significant cash flow generation in the years to come. The listing marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter for Sagility, the management team, existing and incoming shareholders. As a left lead bank, we extend our heartiest congratulations and wish you all the very best for the future. We are grateful to the EQT team and the management team for the trust reposed in us, and we look forward to seeing this journey unfold over the next several years. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now the vote of thanks will be delivered by Shri Abhinav Bharti, Managing Director, Head of India Equity Capital Market, JP Morgan.
Good morning, everyone. It is a privilege here for Sagility's listing ceremony, and I would like to extend our sincere gratitude for the entire Sagility and the EQT team for entrusting us with this such a key moment in their life cycle and allowing us to be a part of that journey. I firmly believe that as Sagility enters the listed space, it will continue to deliver the best-in-class performance that it has done over the years, alongside its innovation and building long-term value for shareholders. The listing is a testament for the hard work that the team has delivered and the vision that the management team has and will continue to deliver over the years. At JP Morgan, we remain committed to supporting Sagility's journey in the dynamic industry landscape. And would also like to thank the EQT team for entrusting us with this important transaction and working with everyone who are involved with this transaction. With that, I would like to thank everyone for coming here and making this a journey to remember going forward. Thank you.
Thank you. And on that very positive and cheerful note, we conclude this function. Kindly proceed for tea, coffee, refreshments that have been arranged in the foyer inside the main building. This is Manasi taking your leave. Have a great day ahead.
Lots of cooling water. But how to get it up to the deck?
We have very good lift pumps. Pumps from Framo that are lifting seawater up to the plant.
But why Framo?
Because it was best.
With Framo's unique cable-free concept, you get the market's only seawater lift technology, developed by a true specialist in marine pumping. And we also work closely together with our customers on connectivity and digitalization.
We are very happy that we have Framo.
We don't just promise performance, we guarantee it.
So it is a big win-win.
देन फिर वो ओके रहेगा अपसाइड के लिए। अभी फिलहाल करने जैसा नेचुरल गैस में कुछ नजर तो नहीं आ रहा है। सपोर्ट बना लेने दो नेचुरल गैस को, देन अच्छा रहेगा। अभी भैया गोल्ड पेटल्स को किस में शॉर्ट किया था आपने? कौन से ब्रोकर में किया? कैन बी कॉल ट्वीजर कैंडल इन निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी? विच कैंडल? दिस कैंडल ट्वीजर? what you want to call, tweezer bottom or tweezer top? बिकॉज बॉटम के ऊपर भी वही कैंडल है, टॉप के ऊपर भी वही कैंडल है। मैं इसको कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहती, जस्ट एसएल हंटिंग कैंडल है। गुड मॉर्निंग। ये शिवम भैया आज ट्रेड नहीं करते हो तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। नेक्स्ट संडे गार्लिक सेल स्टार्ट करूँगा दी बोल कृष्णा जी आपके यानी मेरे साथ है। हाँ यस यस भैया जी, कृष्णा जी आपके साथ है, सबके साथ है। ग्रीन कैंडल बना है हैमर कैंडल बट अगेन इट वाज ट्रैपिंग। अगर इसको बुलिश होना है तो वो परफेक्ट सेटअप के पास परफेक्ट सपोर्ट के पास आके बना दे देन फिर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है हम लोगों को। और फिन निफ्टी को भी आप देखते हो तो फिन निफ्टी भी नहीं भरोसा आ रहा है कि ये अच्छा है ऐसा। गुड मॉर्निंग जय श्री राम, इट्स गुड टाइम टू बाय नेस्ले, चेक करना पड़ेगा। ओके जयंत भैया, अभी सीधा नेक्स्ट वीक में देखना भाई। बड़ा वाला कैंडल में 2K प्रॉफिट, ओके। 15 मिनट जब तक सपोर्टिव नहीं बन जाता निफ्टी बैंक के लिए तब तक आई डोंट थिंक सो कि निफ्टी बैंक में कुछ अच्छा वाला मोमेंटम हम लोगों को देखने को मिल सकता है। ऐसा एक अच्छा मोमेंटम देखने के लिए 15 मिनट ऑल्सो सपोर्टिव होना चाहिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है 15 मिनट का साथ देना। जब 15 मिनट सपोर्टिव होता है ना देन आप लोगों को मोमेंटम देखने को मिलता है। देखो हाँ एक बात सिंपल है कि इधर एक स्विंग लो लगा है, उसके ऊपर स्विंग लो है, उसके ऊपर नाउ स्विंग लो बन रहा है। यहाँ पे जितना परफेक्ट कैंडल रहेगा उतना बाइंग के लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिकेशन रहेगा, जितना परफेक्ट कैंडल उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बाइंग के लिए इंडिकेशन रहेगा इधर के एरिया में। ठीक है, अभी ग्रीन बनाया, उसके बाद रेड बनाया, उसके बाद ग्रीन बना रहा है, तो ठीक है ना, हम इसको सस्टेन करने देंगे। अगर ये सस्टेन कर जाता है देने फिर हम इसमें व्यू बनाएंगे, वरना फिर ट्रैप होने से बचेंगे। और ट्रैप होने से बचना ट्रेड करने से बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। ट्रेड करने से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि आप ट्रैप होने से कैसे बचते हो। 170 एसएल रखा था, ट्रेल किया 170 और हिट और बूम। यस बैंक सुजलॉन बड़ा पैसा डाला हुआ है, कौन सा स्टॉक है वही मुझे मालूम नहीं, दोनों में से एक है। एस बैंक तो अच्छा नहीं है, सुजलॉन होगा। जोमेटो को एक बार देख लो। और जो भी स्टॉक में अगर आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है या फिर मिल चुकी है अपॉर्चुनिटी करने की तो फिर अच्छा है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, बस पेशेंस रखने होते हैं होल्डिंग के। पेशेंस अगर है तो फिर ओके है, पेशेंस नहीं है तो फिर कुछ नहीं। अभी जोमेटो को ही देख लो कितना बॉटम से गया है, 46-45 रुपीज से ये गया है 300 तक, कितना परसेंटेज रिटर्न दे दिया है, बहुत अच्छा परसेंटेज वाइज रिटर्न दे दिया है। तो ये जब भी नीचे आएगा तो ऐसा नहीं है ना कि ये स्टॉक नीचे क्यों आ रहा है या कंपनी अभी डूब गई। अगर कंपनी प्रॉफिट बना रही, सब कुछ ओके है और कंपनी नीचे आ रही है, समझ जाओ भाई थोड़ा प्रॉफिट बुकिंग उसमें आ रहा है, ओके। बट 232 एक अच्छा सपोर्ट लेवल है और उसके ऊपर इसने 239 के पास सपोर्ट बना लिया, चलेगा, अच्छा है। 239 का सपोर्ट जब तक टूटता नहीं तब तक वो बुलिश का बुलिश है। टाटा मोटर ने 800 का सपोर्ट तोड़ दिया तो फिर रेडी रहना अगले सपोर्ट के लिए, वो नीचे और आ सकता है। निफ्टी बैंक ये वाले कैंडल्स के हाई के ऊपर अगर सस्टेन करेगा गाइस प्रॉपर, अभी क्लोजिंग करने का टाइम आ गया है, अगर करता है देन हम इसके ऊपर भरोसा करेंगे। फिर भी मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस तो नहीं आएगा बिकॉज जब ये एक कैंडल डाला था ऊपर की साइड में तो इसने रेजिस्टेंस का ब्रेकआउट नहीं किया था, थोड़े के लिए छोड़ दिया था, तो इसमें मुझे डाउट जरूर रहेगा। फिर भी रिस्क वाले लोगों के लिए इसी कैंडल का लो का एज अ स्टॉप लॉस आएगा और टारगेट वही रेड जोन आएगा, ठीक है। मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रहा है। रिलायंस को एक बार चेक कर लेती हूँ, रिलायंस कैसा है, रिलायंस क्या बोल रहा है एक बार उसको चेक करते हैं। रिलायंस का कुछ ज्यादा भरोसा ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल कंसोलिडेशन के अंदर है। ओके, लास्ट टाइमिंग पे क्लोजिंग होने से पहले ही कैंडल पलटी मार दिया, मतलब नो व्यू नहीं बनेगा। पहले ही मार्केट ने पलटी मार दिया